The next thing I noticed on my inspection was this pipe boot right here. What we've got here is a 3-in-1 pipe boot that looks to be failing. At one point it was sealed, and now you can see that it's dry rotting, cracking, and pulling away. What we use on all our pipe boots after installing them is a tri-polymer sealant that goes around the perimeter right here that's not dry rot and crack. When I go to a leak call, the #1 cause of leak calls is probably these pipe boots. I'll go inside and see a stain on the ceiling, and then I walk outside and look for a pipe. That's the first thing. These can be a pesky problem, but it's an easy fix at a minimal charge.